My name is Malik Ali Khan. My father name is Malik Saeed. I am proud student of Qur'an English medium system. My system name is Qur'an English medium system. I will present the story of computer science. The topic of my story is hardware component of computer system. These are the components of computer system that can be touched. Dear audience, there are two major hardware components of computer system, which are peripheral devices and central processing unit. Firstly, I will tell you peripheral devices. A hardware component connected externally to the computer for input, output, or storage. Input is the data given to computer through input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, light pen, etc. are used to give data to computer. Output is the give data by computer through output devices like monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, etc. are used to get data to computer. Storage is the save data in computer through storage devices like HDD, USB, optical disc, etc. are used to store data in computer. Next, second hardware, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of computer. I will tell you the working of CPU. सबसे पहले डेटा इनपुट डिवाइस से आयु कंट्रोलर में जाता है. आयु कंट्रोलर एक चिप है जो इनपुट सिग्नल को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करती है. इनपुट आयु कंट्रोलर से डेटा रैम में जाता है. रैम तब तक डेटा स्टोर रखता है जब तक उसमें काम हो रहा हो. रैम से डेटा CPU में जाता है. CPU has four parts, which are control unit, arithmetic and logical unit, register and cache. Firstly, I will tell you a control unit. Direct all operation with the CPU. Fact instruction from RAM becomes instruction tell component what to do. Next is arithmetic and logical unit. Perform arithmetic and logical unit. Receives instruction from CU and control unit and give back result. Next, register and cache. Extremely fast and storage inside the CPU. Hold data on wait in working. Next is GPU. GPU stands for graphic processing unit. It graphic card. It expands data into image by using font extension to draw each letter. It expands data into text by rapidly showing series of image. Next, act as a bridge between CPU and monitor. At last, the screen. Display output by getting signal from GPU and displaying final image on screen. Thank you for listening me and your time.
MashaAllah, well done.